Honey, why you calling me so late? It's kinda hard to talk right now. Honey, why you crying? Is everything okay? I gotta watch because I can't be too loud. Well, my girl's in the next room. Sometimes I wish she was you. I guess we never really move on. It's really good to hear your voice saying my name. It sounds so sweet, coming from the lips of an angel. Hearing those words, it makes me weak. And I never wanna say goodbye, but girl, you make it hard to be faithful with the lips of an angel. It's funny that you're calling me tonight, and yes, I dream of you too. Doesn't know you're talking to me, we'll start a fight. No, I don't, she has a clue. Well, guys, in the next room, sometimes I wish she was you. I guess we never really move on. It's really good to hear your voice saying